At the time of seizure, you get knowledge. And when the entire proceeding is quashed, you just don't know about it.
Now all that I'm seeking is that the release of my goods, which were confiscated by them, which is 2 kgs of silver and 5 lakh of currency. This is what I want release of.
Who seized it?
The Enforcement Directorate.
All right. No, I am not accepting this is one because where is your records?
Copy by the time.
But then the Enforcement Directorate must be having copy of this.
Number 1.
94 seizure took place.
One
minute. Last order was passed long back in 2013 or 17, I see. You had no knowledge.
No knowledge. Actually, we had no knowledge.
I am going to impose exemplary costs upon you. You cannot make whatever submission you feel like.
My petition. So the petitions before my lord, a seizure was conducted at the premises, goods were seized, proceedings which were initiated by the department in appeal, the orders passed by the department were set aside. The criminal proceedings also dropped. Now all that I'm seeking is that the release of my goods, which were confiscated by them, which is 2 kgs of silver and 5 lakh of currency. This is what I want release of. I have written to the department innumerable times.
Who seized it?
The Enforcement Directorate.
All right.
And that's the reason why I have written to them on numerous occasions. All the appeals have been dismissed. All the charges dropped. Now all that remains is that
where from do we get to know that the charges have been dropped?
The appeal, I first take you to my lord. I'll take my lord to the appeal order, which is at page 18. But the relevant page is at page 33. Where from we'll see last 4 lines. In the above premises, allowing all the 4 appeals, I set aside the impugned findings in order of confiscation and penalty against the respective appellants. The draft order be retained in appeal and so on. So therefore, these appeals were all. From there, the department carried out a appeal before this honorable court, with which by another order of this court at page 44, the appeals were dismissed for non-prosecution. So thereafter, before the magistrate, before the metropolitan magistrate also, we'll see at page 46, the ordering portion is at page 47. The instant case stands dropped against all the accused persons who were discharged from this case. Note in the TR, dictated order by me. So that after all the proceedings being dropped, all the appeals being dismissed, I have written to them on numerous occasions. Nothing has come forward.
What is the stand of the directorate?
But the difficulty is this, my lord. If your lordship kindly takes first page 11.
It is for you to settle the difficulty and solve it out.
Kindly comes for one. Page 11.
Yes.
The typed copy is at page 11A. This is the seizure list. This does not show any seizure of silver.
Yes, Millard will kindly bear with me. I admit the typed copy is not a very good copy, but it's not difficult to read from the seizure list. We'll see page 11, item 4. Preliminary silver weighing 2.974 grams. Also, the same thing is found at page 20, of the appeal order.
1 minute, page 11.
Yes,
denominations.
Currency denomination.
Currency denominations are there.
See, this is notepad. Blue color.
Blue color notepad. 1 to 5.
Pad. Then orange color and holder pad. Then preliminary silver weighing 2.974 grams. But I admit that the type copy is not a very good copy by the time.
But then the Enforcement Directorate must be having copy of this.
Number one. This is one.
No, I am not accepting this is one because where is your records?
No, but that is what I am submitting.
From the records.
I am submitting the next, my lord. The next is the order in original. He is showing the order in appeal, saying that confiscation and penalty is set aside. The order in original is not annexed here. Our record is of FERA matter, my lord, of 1994. I asked the department to find out that record went to the Delhi tribunal. That original record was called for in the 3 appeals. Now, those original record has not been returned yet. So, I am not able to hold the original seizure list and original order in original.
And the petitioner will suffer for that?
No, definitely not, my lord.
Then?
He should not. But kindly allow us at least some time to find that out because it cannot be read from here.
94 seizure took place. Last order was passed long back in 2013 or 17, I see.
No.
14 minutes.
page 48,
Page
Metropolitan
48.
Magistrate,
It is,
2017.
my lord, this is in 2017.
Yes.
Thereafter, kindly see, in the Metropolitan Magistrate also, and in the honorable, before the Honorable Division Bench of the Honorable High Court also, we were non-represented. We were of the no knowledge.
It is no use saying all these things.
Well, what happened?
2017 is the last order.
I appreciate.
Suppose
They have communicated it.
suppose the petitioner would not have come forward with the writ petition. Upon
We had no
dismissal,
knowledge.
you had no knowledge.
No knowledge. Actually, we had no knowledge. That is why it is dismissed for default. Now he has come up.
I am going to impose exemplary costs upon you.
My lord, what is a fact? I have to submit.
Please come. At the time of seizure, you get knowledge. And when the entire proceeding is quashed, you just don't know about it.
My lord will find it.
I will deal with it.
My lord will find for
Also,
record.
with regards to my learned friend,
But the only thing what I want is the seizure list and the order in original. Because
It
from
is
here,
your seizure, it is your list.
my lord, I am submitting that I am not having the document.
But
This
see,
went to the
Please
tribunal.
look at
Kindly
the-
allow some time to find that out. My lord, we kindly record that. That is my submission. That the original file is not with us, not before the honorable court also.
The seizure made by the
And this is also
Enforcement
pertaining to
Directorate
the revenue matter.
under the
Under group
Foreign
4.
Exchange.
Yes, foreign exchange is under group
Reg-
4.
If you want to regale yourself out of this determination, it is up to you.
And I am not on
You
that.
can
This is
get
my
it
submission.
assignment
My lord,
done by the Chief Justice.
my lord, this is only my submission.
You cannot make whatever submission you feel like.
My lord, if I don't have the document, how can I answer to his
Acha.
complaint?
Foreign Exchange
should have
Regulation
given
Act
that order in original.
1973. দেখে নেবেন তো 398 কি বললাম stood set aside by the court and the proceedings stood dropped. Paragraph. The petitioner prays for return of the goods that were seized. Stop. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing the directorate submits that the original seizure list is not readily available. Stop. The directorate was not aware of the fact that the proceedings stood dropped. Paragraph. Time has been sought for taking necessary instruction in the matter. Stop. Next. On such prayer, let the matter appear in the list on 1st of August 2024. Stop. The learned advocate representing the directorate shall take specific instruction as to when the seized goods will be released in favor of the petitioner.
with the matter
My
will
lord,
be
my lord, only one
just a
indulgence.
minute.
Instead of the last direction your lordship given to me, my lord can direct that Enforcement Directorate, if finds that in the meantime these documents, they are at liberty to release. That direction be given. Because why they should suffer? If they find it out before 1st of August, they should do it.
Pendency of the writ petition will not stand in the way of
Yes.
the Enforcement Directorate to return the goods to the petitioner. If the seizure list and the goods can be traced out.
My lord, deeply obliged.
The details of the same is at page 19. Also, will the matter retain its position on 1st August, minute?
I just need to
Call the
That's
next
to be
matter, please.
mentioned, minute. Deeply obliged, minute.